Over LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put over LBC. Over LBC. I put over LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Good evening and welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto. We ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Thank you for joining me. Hope you all had a fantastic Wednesday. It is Wednesday, March 11th, 2026 at 10:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Oh, we said last night what we thought the price was going to do today if certain things happen with the data, and that's pretty much exactly what happened. So we'll talk about that. We will just keep up with the times, man. I want to see if we can get a trade, which we are getting. Hold on. Hold, please. Uno momento. I am considering a trade. Hold on. Oh, shoot. Where's this one? There we go. Okay, we are at an anchored VWAP sitting on top of it. We've got all kinds of highs that we could target, including these equal highs right up here at 71,000. 71,300. Okay, I think. $0.01 protection. Who needs protection? 7. No, we'll do 500. Oh, 69.5. That's fine, because I can move it. Dang it. 555. Oh. Okay. So we're tapping into a fair value gap. We're also sitting on top of a 50. We have equal highs above us. Maybe a little bit riskier of a trade, but we'll see. inside the golden pocket as well. So let's get a bounce. Let's get a bounce. Get out of here. Where's my people? Good evening, everyone. God bless. Good evening, Jesus say 77 to 7777. Thank you for being here. Wait a minute. Let's not do this. Hold on. How? Sorry. Sorry, guys. Why is it not showing up? Hold on. There we go. Okay. So we're sitting at $66,750 currently. Coming back for that anchored VWAP. Anchored VWAP that is anchored to the swing high. That was on a higher time frame. There we go. Oh, great. So it actually could come down lower. Oh, perfect. That's what I wanted to see. We do have equal lows down here at about 69,114. So I would expect both these. Let me mark these off too. These and these will get tooketh. Where is my stop loss? So I at least want to put it below. I'll keep it. I'll keep it. Where is the chat? There you are. I jumped in with you, LOL. What's up, AJ? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Good evening, AJ. Good evening, Jesus Saves. Good evening, Milk Tea Griper. I guess you're just never going to tell me. Or good morning to you guys. I guess you're just never going to tell me what the GRYPR, how to pronounce that. And we got 2Dub, Wick's wife, throwing the waves in the chat. How you doing, 2Dub? Thank you for being here. All of you, thank you for your support. I do greatly appreciate it. Now we do have these equal lows down here, so want to be. That's why I'm putting the stop below this low, a little bit below this low, and below this VWAP, this anchored VWAP. Because if you break the anchored VWAP and then you hit my stop, I think there's a better chance of it running down to these equal lows than not. So might as well cut the loss early and then wait for the sweep of the equal lows that I think would come up and tag the equal highs. One thing I know for sure, if one gets taken out, not 100% for sure, but if one side gets taken out, then I would expect it to run back down to the other side to take out the others. And yeah, I would expect that to all occur during Asia and London. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe something like this. Come down, I believe. Do we have? It's just a low. You sweep that low. Nice bounce off the anchored VWAP. Oh well. Hey LBC and fam. Hey all set. How you doing? Thank you for being here. How you doing, fam? Chat's getting a little bit thin these days, but that's okay. I'm good with it. Because all the right people are here. And that's anybody that shows up. So who's paying attention to world events? Who wants to pay attention to that? Well, I mean, you kind of got to pay attention a little bit. At least what they mean for markets. And this is, yeah, oh, there we go. Put that down, breakout, back test. I mean, it had to back test it twice, but eventually oil did end up running up And it is now sitting at $93.46. And we were going over this last night. You know, once you get over $90, it starts getting a little dangerous. And then once you break above 100, then you're really starting to cause some economic pain, because then inflation starts to creep its way back and getting into all of the products, because almost everything starts with energy and oil. So we'll see. So this is why it's important to pay attention to world events. You know, things, they're not de-escalating. It does not seem so. I would expect. And as long as there's threats of the Strait of Hormuz being closed down or difficult to pass through, I mean, that's just going to be a signal for oil to continue to rise, which means prices continue to rise in all the wrong ones. And, you know, when people need money, they're going to go to probably the most risky assets and offload those, and so that they can get money out of the market and into their hands so that they can spend it on bills and things. Things are already tight for everybody. Let's make it a little bit tighter. Why not? Come on, USDT. Just break out. Just give us that last dump that we've all been waiting for. At least here at Lunar Beaches Crypto. Structure seems it's shorting first before gripping those equal highs. Potentially. I do not rule that out. But this was a risk I was willing to take. Because, I mean, at the golden pocket, come on. At the golden pocket, I mean, right at an anchor VWAP, yeah, it can come down to the 786. And if that's the case, I would get stopped out before that. And then, and then if that happens, I'll just see what kind of bounce we get at the 786 if we do get one. I would expect some kind of bounce, but you never know. This doesn't give me a whole lot of hope the way this is playing out so far. 69, 615. I really wish I could have a breakout chart on TradingView, but I can't. They bombed the oil tankers today in the Gulf area. Who's they? I'm gonna guess Iran. What was I? Oh yeah. Let's bring up the. Well, I do have fibs on here. Where's the 786? The blue one. I am above that. Okay. Just a checking. Double checking. Double check your work. All right, what's the NASDAQ doing? Let's go ahead and check over here at the NASDAQ. Do I need music? Do you guys think I need music as I'm charting? Hey, this way, now that I have the intro video thing, I can turn my desktop volume down or keep it at a good level. Oh, whoa, NASDAQ pumping out of nowhere. Bitcoin? No? Okay. I mean, that got volatile really quick. And it's dying down, of course. We can't just keep going. I mean, it's still bouncing around a little bit. What's going on? Did something like just happen? S&P, I mean, S&P and NASDAQ looking juicy for longs. Got some equal highs on over here on, oh, and up here on the SPY, the ES. Dow Jones. Yeah. Got bull divs too. Maybe not. And it's dumping now. Ha. Got a little excited too early. It's all right. Or you're planning to take a short long at 69.4. I'm already long. Oh, here we go. There we go. Oh, it just bounced off of it. Look at that. Just a bing right off that anchor VWAP. Not taken out yet. Every move feels preordained. Green days washing out the pain. I remember nights I doubted, staring at the screen, sleep deprived and clouded. Now I'm gliding, weightless motion. All right, getting a little bit of a dumpski here. Down $1.18. Unfortunate. So we have a breakdown. So now what do we look for? Back test. We got a break of structure. Waiting to see, do we get, we have a gap here. I don't know. There you are. Oh, and stopped out. All right. $7.86 and $8.86. Just watching, waiting, commiserating. This song hits hard. I feel like throwing up lighters. Yeah, for sure. Good evening, LBCOG, Melissa One Love. How you doing? Lost $2 on that trade. Look, I'm just happy I'm still profitable on this account after being in it for almost 4 months. I got it sometime, started this eval sometime in the middle of December. So yeah. I'm late again. I can't keep up. Well, you know, you need to start keeping up. Hey, Melissa, can you pin the Discord link in the chat, please? Alexander G. appears to not be here tonight, so if you wouldn't mind doing that, I would greatly appreciate it. Shout out to the mods. We have mods. We got 2 mods showing up at least. Where's maybe a band-aid? I haven't seen maybe a band-aid in the chat in a while. Where's JR? Where's everybody? How's the music? 1 for good, 2 for too loud, 3 for too quiet. So I'm going to be looking for a bounce and some type of bullish candle pattern. Probably getting slapped by market maker. Yeah, that's why I went low risk on that one. I just, or low margin anyway. Like, I mean, that wasn't even, what, $2? I mean, that's not even, that's less than a percent of a percent of a percent. So, okay. That's, I don't know. I need more. I need more. Let's see. Let's wait for price action to develop. Right now, I mean, it's gonna be these. These low, or these highs rather, are juicy. These highs. Bear market, still vibing. I went long too, sadly. Yeah. It's okay. We be alright. Thought about taking the long, but it just wasn't quite engulfing. Of course it engulfed on Bybit. But look at these. That's nasty wick action. 3 minutes, no bueno. 5 minutes, not really. Monthly anchor. Down here? Did you go from the first or the exact open or what? I need to go back to the daily. I mean, you must have gone from the open, right? Hello? Anchored VWAP, are you there? Why are you not? Hello? Thank you. Open. Top of the evening, bro. Top of the evening, DJ McAuley. Oh, this is... Alright, we're below VWAP, so keep that in mind. But we do have a bullish divergence now, so can definitely looking for a reversal here. Take in more. Yeah, I just want to see it break this trend. don't really have another high down here to come off of. Otherwise, I'd be looking for the pullback and then a continuation, but this one does not count in my book. Now, watch me put on a 30-second chart and it'll have distinct highs. Not really. I don't see anything. Is there anything else trading right now? NASDAQ, SPY, Solana. These lows are just garbage. XRP, ETH, BNB, Atom. Why? Okay. So this low is the lowest on all of these. It's such a weird low. That's equal lows on XRP. XRP given the clue. Maybe. We did break these. Do have the New York Open below us, 9:30 open above us. Haven't looked at my indicator in a while. I did find an indicator, an all-in-one auto-anchored VWAPs. All set. All-in-one auto-anchored VWAPs. It's got VWAP 1 period, weekly, monthly, quarterly. You can put on open anchor, high anchor, low anchor. You can do all of that. But really need something else. So I'm trying to find stuff, man. LBC looks like we may hold weekly anchor at this level. Well, we're below it right now. Let's zoom out. So the weekly anchor, I mean, is trending to the upside. So, I mean, it's kind of gone sideways a little bit here. So we got previous day low. Do we have equal? Looks like we have equal, relatively equal lows. Such an ugly low. I don't know. We might hold it. RSI is coming down though. Signaling weakness pretty far below that 50. Sitting at 2032. Let's go to the hourly. Hourly is below the 52, showing weakness. And also, I mean, I was talking about this the other night too. Look, we retraced and we rejected the 786 in the 1 hour. See, that's what I was talking about. You come up to it, reject, close below, downside. And that's usually not a good sign. If you can't break above the 786 and close above it, that's typically not a good sign. And that you're likely going to reject and go lower. So, but we've been expecting lower, and there you go. We're starting to break. And this is Solana, actually. So this one rejected the 786. What about Bitcoin? Yeah, look, I mean, it ran up to the 786. This is on the 1 hour. And look at how much it just wicked around that golden pocket and closed within it. Which, if this was upside down, you would think, oh, that's bullish. But now it's backwards, right? Bearish. And we're breaking down now, so.
I'm getting chopped up.
I don't think anybody likes this music other than me and a couple of other people. So I'll just skip it. Previous day low is below us as well at 68,919. It's this low here, so what is tomorrow? Thursday? I don't know, looks like Tuesday put the high in for the week, which you do typically get. Economic calendar, what do we got? Today we did get CPI. Oh, I forgot to talk about this. So CPI did come in as expected. And as we were expecting, I said if it comes in as expected or it beats expectations, comes in lower, then expect a spike up and then a move down. Well, I said watch out for the move down. I didn't say it would for sure happen. I said watch it, be careful with that news because people might see it as super bullish. And I mean, look at that spike there on the 15-minute. Yeah, we did come back up and take out that high, but now we're coming down lower. We might actually hold here at the Monday high. We'll see. But I mean, those equal highs up here, man, they're just teasing me. They're playing with me, man. It's like I totally expect for price to go lower, but it's like when? You might find that if you watch me long enough, that there's a lot of times when I'm not bragging, but I've noticed over my years of doing this that I can often be right. It's just about time. How long it takes before I am ultimately correct. And what I mean by that is just like I expect lower here, right? And sometimes I'm like, all right, this looks like it's it. Nope. Okay, this looks like it's it. Nope. This looks like it may be it. Nope. And it's just like, and then oftentimes it'll eventually do it. That doesn't mean it's going to do it this time. That doesn't mean I'm always right. It's just something that I've noticed about myself is that I can sometimes call things a little bit earlier than I expected, or than I intended, or what I thought. That's the word I was looking for. So, I mean, we'll see. Current year high. We're sitting at what is that? 97,789. By no means am I right all the time. See, I even hate just talking about stuff like that. Like, previous month low and current year low. I need about 2 years. About 8 to 16 hours behind. LOL. I've been timing you. About 2 years? What? 2 years what? Huh? What? Previous quarter. I thought I had this. Oh, I guess not. Okay. Well, anyway. Previous week low. Relatively equal lows? Can't tell because this line. Let me go back to the proper chart. Is this previous week low different than the other one? What? Oh, there it is. Oh God, I'm boring myself. Jesus. All right, we're breaking the 786 now. We've broken this anchored VWAP and this anchored VWAP. I've just been placing anchored VWAPs at higher time frame swing lows and swing highs. And I want to see what happens. This is the weekly though, so we just lost the weekly. But this is an anchored VWAP. We're just losing them all. LMAO, why you bored? I don't know, man. Sometimes I like get lost in thought and forget to talk. And I'm like, oh, wait. I'm doing a stream right now. And I'm just sitting here watching price. Is there any news? Oh, I could be looking at stuff, you know. Those equal lows, buddy. Equal lows. Equal lows at the anchor VWAP and the 886. Come on. Oh, guys. First of all, why is my Twitter or my X why are we white right now? I'm not going to go into my settings or anything, but did you guys see what the White House posted? The official White House account.
Strike to claim it. A strike to claim it. And he got it. Here comes the heat from the USA. Pins down. What a strike. Who do you think you are? I am.
I hope I don't get DMCA copyright strike for that, but yeah. Like, ADHD is a bitch. Yeah. Yeah. I had not seen that. Yeah, and to be perfectly honest with you guys, I don't really know that I like that. Look, if you're going to dance on the enemy's graves and you're going to meme a war, at least don't make it as cheesy like that. Like, come on now. Is America, best intern can do is some grok imagine AI stuff. Come on now. Good times. Yeah, ADHD is definitely a biatch. That might be the first time I've ever said that word on this channel. That's okay. Iran making things go boom boom. That about it. The Strait is still closed. Is that the news? Oh, ooh. I like that wick. 786, 830. Come on, do something. Oh, we rejected the 786. It was a decent wick. Volume footprints. What are we doing? Minus 33 delta. So someone did a big volume purchase there. That doesn't mean it's going to be bullish or anything. It just means there was a nice high volume order here, or orders. Because, I mean, So, with the footprints, I do believe it is the number of orders within a candle on each side, buyers and sellers, but I don't think it accounts for how big the orders are. So you can have negative 33, but have a bullish candle because, yeah, there were 33 more bearish orders in the candle. However, someone picked up a lot more in just sheer volume or in sheer like amount. I can never. This is the one thing for like the past 2 years that I suck at describing, that I suck at teaching. I'm working on it. Believe me, I'm working on it. All right, now we have something. Okay. We've got a break. Give me a high. Doubt they DMCA it. Hey, I guess we had to strategically deploy AI slop to combat AI slop out of Iran. Hashtag facepalm. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Yeah, AI slop. Yeah, that's just, yeah, it's all good and stuff. It's like we're just like goading them almost. It's like, oh, y'all big bad terrorist? Come on, do something. Give us a reason to nuke you. You know what I mean? What do you guys think? Do you guys think people are right to be afraid of Trump being crazy enough to use a nuke? I don't know. Order filled. Hey, there you go. I'll wait for a pullback. If I'm late, I'm late. If I miss it, I miss it. It's got to follow me rules. In the end, it's got to follow me rules. I'm going to be pissed if it was this one. Break, close above, pull back 50. As a matter of fact, it should have been, you son of a gun. Because it should be on this side of the trend, not this side. So I played myself. Excellent. Live in front of 10 people. So that's okay. At least I'm honest and transparent about it. Am I right? How about that? Just very two distinct highs there, okay? No confusing them now. Same with these. Got to break these, man, because otherwise the momentum is just trending to the downside. You're creating lower highs and lower lows, and I mean that's called a downtrend. So you want to break that downtrend and start forming higher highs and higher lows to ride an uptrend. We want to ride the crypto market all the way to the moon, but if we're just trading, day trading, scalping, it takes a lot of trips. It takes a lot of trips to get to the moon. Equal highs. Come on. Just run. Just leave me in the dust, please. Don't tease me. NQ's not looking great. Broke this low and it looks like it's rejecting it. Monthly open 24,682. Where's Bitcoin's monthly open? Down here, 66,977. Breaking down. I think it's, I don't know. I don't know that this low is any bueno. Where's my... oh, what's it called? Oh. Did I not save? I found a TPO indicator that was amazing. Not that one. Oh, was it just the standard? Hold on, let me turn this on. Lock your fibs. I got in on 66K and got emotional, but he has set a new Trump doctrine for foreign policy. We have stronger bombs versus nukes. Wait, what? Order filled. Whoops, that wasn't the Diet Coke button? Never doubt it. Never give up. Never surrender. Yep, there we go. Dumping. Rejecting that 786. Come on. Mr. Big Order is holding it up. Probably not for long. Look at this. This TPO is just look. I mean, there's this. Do I need to increase the ticks per row? Decrease the ticks per row? I guess I should put it back on auto. Okay. 70 value area day. What I do like about this is expand the blocks. It's pretty cool. You can actually expand blocks. Last profile. Oh, I don't know that I've seen that one. That's interesting. Poor high and poor low, so it'll actually mark off poor highs, poor lows, single prints, TPO midpoint. the open and the close. Let's turn them all on. And let's go to a clean chart. Whoa. There's a tiny bit left of a single print down there just below monthly open, 66,788. These are all the way up to the monthly TPO. This gradient shows you how green and how red it is. Where's that single print, my friend? Let's go to the hourly. You said below what? Single print just below the monthly open? Down here? Oh, is it here? Yeah. Hold on. Don't expand. There we go. Where's the single print? Do I need to go to the 30? Here. Yep. There's the single print. Is that what you're eyeing up right there? This actually isn't a terrible low. This, however, I don't like. What? Is there a candle here? Hold on. Yeah, what? Why is this? How much is it? Is this? Oh. Duh. Anyways, yeah, but once you start overlapping these, I don't know, man. I don't know. Once you combine these, I don't know that I like this low. Which, not surprising, because I've already pointed out that I don't like this low, because it's these three little bounces here. I do believe, yeah, I got it marked off. Yeah. So, not exactly the type of low that I want to see. All right, so now we're coming down to the, okay, we've hit the 886. So maybe we can get a short-term low. Okay, we're at this anchored VWAP. We're at the 886. We have the equal lows here at the yellow line. What's it going to do? If it bounces at the 886, I'm going to quit. Oh, wait, it's got a... Okay, that's bullish engulfing. From this low to this low. Potential bull div. Let's go to the 5. Not so much. Not so much. 3 minute. Not at all. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, and we created equal lows here on the 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. See ya. We'll see you in a little bit. Right below the wick, I am on the hourly. But yeah. Oh, let's see. Monthly open, right below the wick. Yeah. What kind of, what, I mean, what do you have your ticks on? What side? What, Ticks Pro 1500. Jeez. Let's go to 2000. How about that? How about 1000? Look at this lonesome little G here. You got a lonesome B too, though. Let's see. 500. Ah. Guess who's back? Back again. It's because I'm not on the 30-minute. Let's go to the 30. This was on auto. And that was showing up, right? Yes. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I think, I mean, that's a good single print. We'll see if it comes down to it. We got so much stuff on this chart. It's a too much. It's a too much. Gotta have my space, man. It's getting a bounce at that 886. I still don't really care for it. Where's my session VWAP? Up here. Man, should have just went short, huh? Man, I gotta remember to do daily degen. Man, I really hope. I really hope I can, I really hope my ADHD comes under control here at some point. Trying. All right, come on down. Come on down and then bounce. Look, the moves always happen. I mean, we got a nice little move while I was live, but I missed it. But the lows, my areas of interest tend to get hit within like 15 minutes, 30 minutes after my stream. Almost every night. It's kind of frustrating. Makes me want to go back to streaming it from 10 to 11, but I really don't want to do that. I really don't want to do that. Evening, Jesus saves. Yeah, telling myself the same thing. Should have went short. I mean, I can worry about that, or I can just move on to the next one. Trying to get a bounce here, maybe? Fair value you got. Excuse me. And it said nada. Order block. With the equal lows. Come on, just come down here. Or not. Oh, well, there's Harp. There's one of my other mods. Thank you for showing up. Where did Melissa go? I guess she just came in, said hi, and then vamped out. I asked her to do work, and she said, bye. Maybe she's been trying to figure out how to pin the Discord link in the chat this whole time. Oh, we're bouncing out the order block. Okay. That was a nice little come down wick inside and bounce off the midpoint of the order block and then close above. Of course. And it's right after, look, 1 minute after my stream. Boom. Did I tend to, or did I I'm supposed to be done by now, is what I'm trying to say. Bye, Bitcoin. I'll see you again tomorrow night. Same with chat. Sorry. I failed you. But I appreciate you all, as always. Hopefully tomorrow we can catch something. Hopefully I can start catching stuff before the stream, because there tends to be a move before the stream too. But I don't know. Got home at 7:30, showered, and said hi before I made food. Why? Because I love you, LBC. Oh, thanks, Harp. Mad love, bro. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for hitting that like button. Thank you all. I do greatly appreciate you. You're all amazing. Oh, all set. My wife is starting a marketing company. You know what she said? Do you like this name? Do you know what that name was? Anchor Marketing. I said I love it. All right, thank you guys. I do greatly appreciate you. Thank you all for joining me this evening. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on your way out, smashing up that subscribe. If you are new, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content and when I go live. As always, nothing on this channel is financial advice. It's strictly for educational and entertainment purposes. Please join the Discord. Link is in the description. And oh yeah, by the way, I don't know if I needed to. I haven't ever told you guys what to do in the Discord. Go to, once you verify, it's a stringent verification process. That is because my Discord is free. And guess what else is? The Discord is free of bots. As far as I know, or scammers, really. There's bots in the Discord for sure. But scammers, I don't think I've seen any in a while. So, but know that I will not DM you. And yeah, I'm trying to think what else. Yeah, just join the Discord. Oh, go to the general chat. Go to the general chat and say hi. It is under LBC Clubhouse or something. And you know, I've got JR in there posting setups. And yeah. All sets in there. They're in there. They share a room. They share bunk beds, and play patty cakes, toss anchors. You know, all the fun stuff. Yeah, and you know, I've been posting daily macro overviews, and I share charts. So join the Discord. Follow me on X at Lunar Beaches as well, and that's going to be it. I hope you all. What's going on, 666? Thank you for commenting on all my videos, man. I greatly appreciate that. You're amazing. But I do need to go. Yeah, I need to go. So, mad love. I'll see you all tomorrow night. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep, and I will catch you all then. God bless. Peace out. Ride the waves. Speaking of waves, this is Waves Before the War. I'm not going to play the intro video. Waves Before the War. Love you guys. Peace out. Wait, what's my volume on? Okay. My love. Bye.
floating where the silence haunts. Blue planet fading, I'm the chosen one. Helmet on, heart still racing. Charts glow neon, constellations pacing. Moon dust on my old veins, riding candles like a long-term plan. Every move feels preordained, green days washing out the pain. I remember nights I doubted, staring at the screen, sleep deprived and clouded. Now I'm gliding, weightless motion, surfing probability like an ocean. Every eye feels earned, every scar's a lesson learned. I breathe in vacuum calm, while the universe keeps score. I'm riding waves on the edge of space, candles breaking like they know my name. No gravity, no fear, no chains, just momentum running through my veins. Helmet cracked, but I still see clear. Been through red, been through tears. I found peace in the chaos phase, riding waves before the war begins. Signals whisper, stars align, fibs retrace like sacred signs. I don't chase, I let it come, patience sharper than a gun. Crew asleep, I'm wide awake, mind too loud for heaven's sake. Ego gonna trade the plan, not the outcome, understand. I've seen FOMO take good men turn diamonds into losses again. So I breathe, I wait, I trust, even moon dust turns to rust. I don't flinch at pullbacks now, I've been broken, I know how to stand still when others run. That's how legends are begun. I'm riding waves on the edge of space, candles breaking like they know my name. No gravity, no fear, no change, just momentum running through my veins. Helmet cracked, but I still see clear. Been through red, been through tears. I found peace in the chaos phase, riding waves before the war begins. Static creeping through the void, signals I can't just avoid. Sky fractures, moons collide, something ancient's on the line. Drums like thunder in my chest, this isn't just another test. I feel eyes behind the stars, calling me from where they are. I was riding waves on borrowed time, thinking balanced, man, I'd be fine. Didn't know what waits beyond the games, didn't know the cost of flame. Astronaut, the markets were never the enemy. The war is coming. Answer the moon gods.